Let's look into our new topic, data structure. Data structure are used for group our data and variable together. Let's check what are the first our topic. First is list. Okay, and this is the bracket we are using. This is mutable and duplicates are allowed in this list. Mutable means simple, you can alter and delete item in this list and in duplicate a same item name. Let's try with list. List A. Look at this. You get a complete list now. Okay. You can access an index, a particular name like list A. Look at here. You get 34. You can access any of the number with index. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. If you give index number 1, then you will get 34. If you give it 0, you will get a 1. Okay, as same as in negative, from this side you can also get Rahul -1, -2, -3, -4. Let's make one more list and then will combine two different lists. Okay, good here. You get combined list of both A and B. List number C. And you can sort your list also, like we want to sort our list 1 A dot sort. Now print our list A. You get with sorted list 34 Aman join Rahul. They look at this. Our list is Aman, 34, John and Rahul. Now you get a list here with sorted. First with A, with J and R, with alphabetic sort and order. Okay. Now you can also make it reverse. It's going to be ascending to descending. Now you can make descending to ascending. Like do this. A dot sort reverse capital true. And now print list A. Now look at here. You're getting it descending to ascending order, reverse order. Okay. Now next we are going to add some new item into our list A. Look at here, list A dot use function append. Append is function which is used to add new item in our list. To add Google as a new item in our list. Now print our list one. You will get Google also. Okay. And now next we are going to replace our one item. Like we are going to replace John. Okay. List A item number one with print again our list. Look at here. It's change our John to 2. It replace our item. Okay. Now we are going to delete our one item list. Now let's delete list A. Which item we want to delete? Like we want to delete index number 1, which is 2. Okay. Now print list A. Now you get Rahul Aman 34. This 2 item is actually delete. Okay guys, our next topic is tuple. Tuple. It cannot be altered. Okay. It just you can make duplicates, but you cannot alter and delete any of the item. This is the main difference between there is a close bracket. Let's make a tuple item A with bracket A comma B comma C, and then print tuple A. You get a tuple list. Now create a numeric tuple. And next we are going to make a tuple with connecting our list. Tuple C, okay, with tuple A comma list A comma tuple B, print Triple C. Small. Look at here. We combine different items. One is list, tuple, combine mixed tuple and list. And our list also can contain our tuple. 2 tuple A, tuple B, list G. Look at here. We also can connect both tuple and list. There is a main key difference between tuple and list is we cannot alter tuple and we cannot delete any of the item. Let's try our to delete any of the tuple item. Let's delete tuple B item 1. Look at this. We cannot delete any of the item. Let's try to alter any of the item. Tuple 1 item with 5. Look at here. You also can wait tuple A with close bracket. Okay. Look at here. You will not support any assignment. You also cannot alter any of the item. This is the main key difference between tuple and list. Thank you guys. In next video we will work on our dictionary. Thank you for watching.